Several times I've contrasted environments wherein we know exactly what we're going to make with environments wherein we don't know exactly what the outcome will be when we as a team get started. What we're really talking about here are process control mechanisms and where they are most suitable. For defined processes, most typically found on assembly lines, this is, for example, what you would expect to see when assembling cars in an automobile plant. Often the defined process itself is a checklist or a stepwise series of activities that one must take. Insert end A into slot B, etc. However, in more creative work, where we're creating a unique outcome, we need a very different process control system. We need an empirical one. And this, of course, is where Scrum lives. On the left of the slide, you can see some circumstances in which an empirical system might be a better way to manage our activities and our work. In order for an empirical system to be successful, however, it has some requirements of its own. Specifically, empiricism requires these three things: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. These are big $5 words, as my dad would say. Let's tease them apart a little bit. Transparency really means that we can all see what's actually going on. We have data that we all understand, and we understand it in the same way. Transparency means we are going to be able to analyze data and reach similar conclusions in most cases. In order for the findings of our inspections to be accurate, we must have full transparency. To make this somewhat less academic, when a developer says, "I am done," there must be some agreed upon shared criteria for done so that the software being produced is transparent for both of us. This allows a legitimate inspection, the results of which guide our next decisions. And this is the adaptation piece. Empiricism really is about making decisions based on evidence and experimentation rather than baseless projections, or what I call project management and hope.